Hello friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hide a channel on YouTube TV. As you can see here guys, I have a bunch of channels here on the live TV section, and let's say I want to hide a specific channel, I can easily do so. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to hide, for example, ESPN that is at the top here. So how do you hide a channel? Click your profile on the upper right hand side and basically click on settings, and you will see that once you're here you can go to the option that says guides or live guide on the left hand side. You want to find the channel that you want to hide. So let me go ahead and move this ESPN down in the list, and once you move it under all channel, right, you're not able to do it once it's showing as your top channel. So you want to move it down into all channels, or if it's not there, just simply scroll and find a specific channel that you want to hide. Now once it's there, you will find a channel with the eye over it. By default it is available, but if you want to hide it, just simply click on the eye, and as you can see, if you click on it, it says hide, and this is how you hide the channel. Now what's going to happen is that if I go back to, for example, the YouTube TV and then click on the live, which so I can see the guide, that channel no longer shows up into the live guide. So this is how you can easily go ahead and hide a specific channel on YouTube TV. So any channel that you want to hide, this is how you basically do it. You can always come back here to the live guides, find a channel, and you can unhide it as well. So that's how you hide and unhide channels on YouTube TV.